Guys, ito yung battery na bagong gawa ko. It is 65 Ah for 24 volts, 65 Ah. So this battery pack max ampere up to 65 ampere hour. So dahil yung nickel strip available on the market is just only 0.3, but mahirap i-spot yung 0.3, kaya binili ko yung 0.15, pero dinubli ko sa input and output terminal, dalawang yung 0.15 in total of 0.3 plus 0.2, so in total of 0.5, both side negative and positive in and out. And source connection 2 times na 0.15, so in total of 0.3. Tapos yung terminal, tatlong ginawa kong terminal para mag-divide yung discharge and charging or in and out. Each terminal can hold up to 50 amp, so in total of 150. So yung battery at ang nickel strip is safe for overheating. So na-minimize ang overheating, na-minimize din ang voltage drop. At dahil na-minimize yung voltage drop, na-minimize din ang energy losses. So my next video, let's talk about that on the voltage drop, on how to fix that or to minimize the energy losses from the battery pack. So, thank you for watching, guys. See you to my next video.